Hello, welcome to my channel and craft room. I really hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please click the like button and leave a comment. Both of these things really help out my channel, plus I love to interact and chat with you all. I would also love it if you subscribe so we could craft along together in future videos too. You can find me on other social media platforms as well. Those links will be in the description box under each video. I'd love for us to connect there too. Right, let's get crafting. Hello everyone, I am back for a short video today just to show some bits that I have been making for some swaps that I am taking part in. I love taking part in swaps, especially in the Junk Journaling UK Facebook group. What I really love is their swaps tend to be a varied mixture, so you can either make a full journal and you normally get 2 to 3 months to do that. But they also have lots of smaller swaps, which is just perfect if you are somebody that perhaps just wants something little fun thing to do or just doesn't have a lot of time but still wants to kind of participate. So I'm taking part in 2. I am sending these off today, which is why I'm doing a little video today just to kind of show them. So as I said, they are 2 swaps. Now this one I have recorded on camera and I have got YouTube videos, so I'll put those down below if you want to see how I kind of put these together. I did use my monochrome Alice kit because for this swap it was a black and white theme and you had to make 3 tags and 3 altered paper clips. So I'll just very quickly show you the tags that I made. So we've got this one here which has a little pocket and then a mini tag inside with some writing on the back. We've got this lovely little stopwatch here. There's a charm, some fabric, lace, and obviously some fabric at the top as well. And then on the back, gorgeous Alice picture, but a little bit of space for journaling if needed. We've then got a larger tag here. So this does have a dangle on the front as well. There's also this cute little tag to the side with the heart brad, and then there's some lace and a keyhole. And then down the bottom some black lace, and on the back of this one again some space for journaling. For the next one then there is again a bit of a cluster down the bottom, so I've got some lace to the side. There is a key charm, one of the hearts in the kits, the drink me bottle, and then the word Curiouser. And then on the back lots of journaling space on that one. And then for the altered paper clips, I did pull out a piece of tea stain paper just so you can kind of see them a little bit better because my desk is obviously black. But this is the first one. So this is like a banner altered paper clip. So I've got my image up there, Explore Wonderland, and then some lace at the bottom to help decorate it. I then have this one. Now this is a 2-sided one. So on this side is nice and simple, but it's got that beautiful little butterfly on and the clocks pattern. But then on the other side is kind of like the main side of the paperclip, I guess. And then I hope that picks up on camera, but there is some embossing here, so that kind of makes it nice and shiny. I've got a little heart on there, and then we've also got these lace and beads dangling down as well. So that's the second one. And then this last one is a dangle. These are my paper clips that have been altered to look like paper beads. You can further embellish them if you wish, and then down the bottom, you probably won't be able to see that on camera, but there is a teeny tiny little picture of Alice inside there. But I thought that might be cute, dangling off a tab. It could be dangling off a tag. It could also be part of a spine dangle. But yeah, so that is my black and white themed swap, and as I said, all of that's on camera how I made those, so I'll pop the links down below, and then if I remember in cards in the corner as well if you want to go and check those out. This swap I haven't recorded purely because it's half term at the moment and I have my 4-year-old at home, so it's a bit tricky to do filming. I kind of just nip away for 5 minutes here and there, do a little bit of crafting, and then obviously back to sorting her out. For this swap we had to make a belly band and a stuffed pocket. It could be anything you like. Again, I wanted to play around with my grungy Alice kit this time. So this is what I have come up with. So this is my belly band. I've used kind of a base page, and then I've torn around the rabbit and then just layered with some lace, and then I've got this lovely melting clock down here. But that's, yeah, just a belly band that can then be stuck onto the page. And then for my stuffed pocket, there are a few sections here. So at the back we have our main pocket, and there are just a few tags and journaling cards in there. They're all backed with tea stained paper, and then, like I said, just a little bit of decoration on them as well, and just a little bit of lace up the top as well. Then we've got this journaling card, and then a postcard that could also be used as a journaling card, and they all just go in the back down there. Then I've got this postcard tucked into this mini pocket here that comes out, and again is some journaling space, and that's holding this envelope closed. And then I've just stuffed that through full of all sorts of different goodies. They're not necessarily Alice in Wonderland themed. I've just got some stickers, some stamps and bits of ephemera that somebody could use in their journal, so that all goes in there. And then, like I said, the postcard just holds that envelope closed. On the other side, so this whole thing is an envelope itself, so this is the flap for the envelope, and then tucked inside I have this journal, so there is a journaling card as well tucked in there. And then you have this journal, which you obviously can pull out. There's not very many pages in there, I think 6 pages in all, so it's just like a little notebook, but it's kind of like the back of a playing card, and then a pattern from the kit there. Another altered paper clip, which when you slide off you can take out this card. So this is in the kit as well, so again it's like a playing card, and then I've just altered the images in the middle, and then it's all backed on tea stained paper, so that goes in there. And the paper clip just kind of obviously holds it in place. So that's, like I said, a little sort of notebook journal that goes in the back. And then tucked into this top pocket here, I've got these 2 pieces. So it's another journaling card, nice big one, lots of writing space on the back. And then there's also this little notepad here. So I've added some lace down the bottom, but it's just like a scrappy notepad. So it's just got all scraps, bits of paper, some birds and some tea stains, so that's just like a little scrappy pad, and that also just gets tucked up in there, and then that gets closed, and that's my stuffed pocket. Okay, so they're my swap items. As I said, this is the Junk Journaling UK Facebook group. I will put their link down below in case you want to check them out and come and have a look at the kind of swaps and things that they do as well. As I said, they do a wide variety, which is really great. Some small swaps, some larger swaps. You can obviously pick and choose whatever suits your time frame. I've really enjoyed working with both of these kits. My monochrome Alice kit has lots of ephemera in it. The grungy Alice doesn't have so much ephemera, it's more backing pages, but that's why I kind of wanted to play around with it and see, well, how can I make it into ephemera? So I literally have cut up a lot of the backing pages, and that's how I've made my tags and things. So I just wanted to kind of have a play around with it and see how I could use that to make journaling items, even though I haven't necessarily included much ephemera in there. Well, thank you very much for watching. As I said, I'm going to be posting these out today. I hope you've enjoyed seeing how I've used these 2 kits. Of course, you can do the same things with any kit or any pieces of paper that you have, even if they're scrapbooking papers or ones that you've stamped and decorated yourselves. I just think it's always fun seeing how people use them. As I said, this is just a quick video today. So thank you very much for watching and for everybody's support, and I will see you all in the next crafty video. I'll see you later. Bye bye.